In this video, I will show you how to migrate Pi Token to Pi Network Mainnet. So first of all, open up your Pi app, and after that, go ahead and click on the three stripes at the top left, and from here, click on Mainnet. And in order to do this, you need to be sure that you have the mainnet checklist completed. You can check your progress when you click on mainnet checklist in here, and just be sure that you have completed all the steps in order to do this. And after that, you can take a look at your balance dashboard, and there you can see your balance, your unverified balance, your transferable balance, and the amount that is migrated to mainnet. So in my case, I have 0.07 Pi in my account. And let's say we want to migrate this to our mainnet. Then what we're going to do for this is we're going to click on View Wallet in here. And then we will be redirected to the Pi browser app. And in here, I'm going to paste in my passphrase, and then I'm going to unlock this. So I will see you on the other side. After you have entered your passphrase, you will see your mainnet, and at the top you can see a wallet address as well. So in order to migrate tokens to your mainnet, you're going to click on this copy to clipboard icon in here. As you can see, we have it copied, and now we can return back to our Pi app. So again, it is really important to complete all the mainnet checklists, and if you have done that, you will be able to transfer balance to your mainnet. And how do you do it? It's really easy then. You just need to click on transferable balance once it is available after you've finished all the checklist steps. And once you are in there, you will see your amount that you have in Pi tokens, and then you can click on transfer and then transfer to your mainnet by pasting in the wallet address that we just copied from our mainnet. And once you finalize this transfer, you will eventually migrate tokens to your Pi Network Mainnet. You can also migrate tokens from different wallets to your network mainnet. By this, you just need to paste in the correct wallet address and make sure that you are on the same network on both platforms. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.